I want to auction. I can say auction. An auction. So, I hope you like my last video that I put up, because this is related to it. So, let's see what's in this package here. Oh, I know what's in here. Okay. This will be pretty much a clue of what this is. Yes, it is. No. I'm gonna say. Oh wait. No. No. Chain. No. Little bird. No. No, you were right the first time. Okay. Need some little bit of mending. That's your first clue. Needs a little mending. Okay. That's your first clue. Any guesses? I know. You know what it is now, I bet. There it is. A new Cuckoo Clock. Does it work? I don't know. So that's what we're going to find out. I think the chain is off the wheel. Yeah, the chains are off the wheel, I believe. And that goes.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Hey everybody, welcome back to another movie. I've got this clock here I'm working on, and yeah, I'm not sure if you guys like these clock videos or not, but this is something new that I'm into, so if you don't like these type of videos, I guess you don't have to watch them. I know they're long, and I'm gonna do my best to shorten them up, but yeah, so I'm gonna work on this. I'm just gonna clean this one. It doesn't stay running right now, so I'm gonna clean it and re-oil it, and hopefully that will solve the problem. I don't know. I got this clock with that owl clock. It came from the same place, and I'm glad I got both of them, because I don't know if I showed this before, but on the owl clock, this pendulum came with the owl clock, and the pendulum that's on the owl clock now came with this one. And I believe the pendulums got mixed up, because I believe this pendulum actually belongs to this clock, because this has the flowers, and on other house clocks like this, the pendulums are like this. They look like this. They have little flowers on Although this pendulum looks pretty big, so it might not even go to this clock. It might go to another one.
With over 20,000 species, they are the single largest
But I don't know.
protein in the sea.
But it's going to go to this clock because I believe the
Is a host of creatures smaller than the tip of your
one that came with this
These octopus larvae.
belonged to the owl clock. I could be wrong. I probably am
They are consumed by the largest predators in
because
the sea. Orcas.
that pendulum does have this color on it, but I think it matches better with the owl clock. Anyway, so could be, that one could be for a different clock because it's pretty big, and I'm thinking it probably goes to a bigger clock. Anyway, we're gonna tear into this. First things first, I guess. We'll take off the dowels. I mean the hands.
A humpback whale eats up to 1.5 tons of food per day. That's a lot of carbs.
And this clock is pretty clean. On the outside it does have some dust on it, so I'll take care of that too.
Marine life is part of a global system of removing CO2 from the atmosphere, then gradually releasing it back.
Well, this is different.
The key to this carbon cycle is Earth's ability to store it long term. A NASA
This is really different.
to read chlorophyll, a chemical tracer for plant growth, shows the global biosphere in action. In sync with the seasons, plants take in vast amounts of carbon dioxide and release the oxygen we breathe. On land, the carbon can then find its way into the ground when plants and animals die and decay. The Earth, too, gets into the act. Exposed rocks take in CO2 when it rains. Erosion
Take a look at
seeps
this.
into the oceans. If it becomes part of the marine food chain,
Okay.
carbon-rich matter can sink all the way to the sea bottom. And the
Oh,
food
I see
waste
what happened. Okay. Note to self. Note to self. This piece gets stuck
countless
in
organisms
here.
like the sound, a jellyfish-like creature the size of your thumb, live and die each year.
Like so.
All the waste, all those bodies with their stores of carbon, rain down onto the ocean floor.
Okay.
They pile up, layer upon layer. In time, these carbon-rich sediments can turn to oil.
And I'm just going to take the face off this because I find it much easier
To the environment as CO2 if the rocks become exposed.
to get the movement in the clock without the face on. If it was glued on, I wouldn't bother. But
The pressure and heat gradually build until the Earth begins to erode. Every year, over 100 million tons of carbon dioxide is spewed into the oceans and atmosphere by volcanoes. Acting on timescales of a day to millions of years, the carbon cycle has helped make our planet habitable. But its success depends on life itself. We are how Earth works. If somehow the carbon cycle went wrong, what would Earth be like? The answer is a world away on Venus. Here, the CO2 belching from volcanoes isn't going anywhere. Venus is like a house on fire, with the windows forever closed. The cause can be traced in part to those incinerating solar winds. Sheltered from those winds, Earth has kept CO2 levels in balance by absorbing and releasing in roughly equal amounts. Lately, that balance has been shifted. The amount of carbon dioxide from human activities, including
So,
cars, power plants, and factories.
you can see
Exceeds volcanoes by over
this clock was serviced in
much of
October 2006, and then again in October 2012. And my guess is it was cleaned in those years. So it's time for another cleaning.
most of it in the last 50 years. The result? Global temperatures have risen by almost 1 degree Celsius. That's enough to accelerate the melting of vast stores of ice on high mountains and in the polar regions.
Okay.
Since the 1980s, NASA scientists have methodically tracked the Arctic seasonal changes. They found its loss.
I wish there was a way to tell what year these were made,
What's left has also thinned.
but you cannot. So, but I think this is a little bit older. It's got the flat screws. It doesn't have Phillips screws, and it's got nails instead of staples.
Getting more rainfall.
It's not glued.
Drought. Deserts expanding. Natural climates becoming more threatened. Wildlife habitat shrinking. Polar regions becoming forested. And as the ice melts, it drains into the oceans. By the end of the century, sea levels are now expected to rise as much as 1 meter, inundating coastlines around the world. We've also gained a new perspective on it.
Tape that rod to it so it doesn't fall off and I don't mix them up.
Technology is allowing us to take stock of the elaborate interconnected climate systems that protect our world and sustain it. Within 4 of wind, water, of time, and tectonics, our planet has nurtured one another extraordinary participant, life. Today, we are masters of the world, revealing itself as more and more wondrous than we've ever imagined. Even as we continue to explore its workings, we ask, is our goal to expand Earth or save it?
Roger. Wait. No, no, no. Everything off. Everything off too. Okay. You get the other what? I'm not taking away. One. I'm gonna wash that up. First, let's inspect this. Okay, I can already tell this clock has been worked on before.
It's an elaborate chain of events that Toba took to an extreme.
Yeah, it sure has. Okay. Let me give you a zoom up on this. Okay. I think you can see this. This clock has had bushings put in. So, you can see the little bushings here. Here's one I believe that hasn't been done. Let's see. Where is it? Right here. That one hasn't been done, and you can tell these how they look different.
Several moons of Saturn and Jupiter, and in the past, even our own moon.
So at one time,
That may bear the deepest scars.
all these gears were sloppy, and it's the same way on the other side.
Took place in what's
You
now
can see
Siberia in Russia.
here.
Wind back the clock to the time of the eruption, 250 million years ago.
You can see one here. Right.
All of Earth's land masses were joined together.
So that's cool. This thing should probably not be loose at all, and I'm going to check that now.
It was the end of a spectacular period known as the Permian.
Just to be sure.
That was a time when life on Earth ran riot.
Side.
Amphibians and
Yeah, not
reptiles flourished, including
not
the
moving.
ancestors of dinosaurs and
No
dinosaurs.
slop
Forests and swamps
at all. That's
saw
cool.
an explosion
That's
of
good.
insect species. Fern plants, dominant for eons, were beginning to give way to conifers and palms.
Okay, so right now I'm going to set this down. I'm going to wash this up.
As well.
Wash the house up,
Vibrant
and
coral reefs
when I
and wide
return,
variety of invertebrates and fish inhabited the open water.
I'll start working on this. Okay.
All its glory.
Okay, I'm back. I got the clock done. I forgot to film it. So, this clock, when I first tried it out, it kept stopping, and I watched a video on why it would do that, and I found out why it would do that from the guy I watched that does cuckoo clocks all the time, Just Mike. And it's the rod that the pendulum is on. If that's bent a little bit, it'll cause it to stop. So I straighten that out, and I'm gonna test this out. And that's about it. So thanks for watching. Although when I did clean it, it has some type of, I don't know. It almost reminds me of like stuff you would put on a model railroad, and when I washed it, a lot of it came off. So that's that. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
They gave me everything and now they're taking it all away.
Bye. I go now.